Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for some shoes that also serve as a, let's just say, safety shoe, this video is for you. So this company right here reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give us an honest review? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever this being provided to be a fitness review? I am just here to keep it real. So this is this particular style. There might be a couple other color combinaciones, but this is this one, which sort of has a chartreuse type color inseam on the bottom. That's the tread, kind of a unique design. And this is what the top looks like. It almost looks like a carbon fiber type look. It's not carbon fiber, but it has kind of that look from a distance. So it's definitely a nice overall looking shoe. There's some color, I guess you call it color splotches. There's the shoe ties and the inside. The inside, these actually come out, which is kind of cool. So these provide additional support, cushion in the inside. So if swapping these out is important to the user, that is an option. That's kind of cool. Unexpected. The key of these is that these are non-slip shoes, so they're kind of designed for like a work environment, plus have some style and use in the non-workplace. So some call outs besides it being non-slip is the toe is similar to like a construction boot, where the toe has like this built-in, you can't see, it's not visible, but there's like this built-in like area here that's like fully reinforced from the top down. Like it's not possible to squeeze this and put pressure on where the toes would be. So if there is a work environment where covering this area because something might squish it is important, these things do that, which is really kind of cool. So they are definitely a work shoe, but kind of like a hidden work shoe where you wouldn't notice it versus, let's just say, like a work construction type boot. Insides are very nice and comfortable. What's also cool is that these are, this whole area here is waterproof. So it can be submerged, but submerged up to right about here, because I mean, this is accessible into the foot area down in here. So this is not a shoe that you would want to completely submerge your foot, but definitely is waterproof up to here and all the way around, which was kind of a cool feature in itself. Comfort-wise, in this example, they're very comfortable. When wearing them, you can't even feel this reinforced toe area when being worn, which was an added benefit, because a lot of like construction style shoes that have like that steel toe, you could definitely tell, for the most part, you could definitely tell that that's there. In this situation, you really can't. Definitely comfortable. There's a good bit of flex, so if you wanted to run, jog, or whatever in these, no problemo. But you have that added benefit if you were looking for a non-slip, durable, with the, I'm going to call it like the toe protection built in. You kind of have all that in there. So very, very cool. I'm pleasantly surprised, we'll put it that way. I was pleasantly surprised when I got this. Like, you can't even tell. It doesn't even look like a work-related type shoe. Hopefully this answers any other questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.